Hello and welcome to this video. In this video, I'm going to share how to leverage property you have to buy another investment property. Vitally important. I've been approached so many times, people asking me this because I've done this a few times to be able to buy properties. So very important. I would like to share this with you. Very important where you buy property without putting any of your own money down, and then obviously use that property to actually rent out or basically sell and then get the cash flow to buy another one. So very important. So I'm going to share these amazing tips with you. So if you have a home, if you have a property or a home where you live in currently and you haven't remortgaged for a very, very long time. So what I mean by remortgage, you've remortgaged the house, but you haven't actually asked the bank to value it for you. You just go onto a yearly or a couple of yearly rolling remortgage. So you haven't actually pulled any of the equities in that property. So suppose that property had a minimum of £100,000 equity in it. Right, what you could do, you could look for a property worth £100,000 and you can ask the bank to use that equity in your property to help you buy the other property. So i.e. your home would become a security to buy the other property. Simple as that, right? And again, if you're struggling with this, comment on the link below or on the comment section below. I can get you a mortgage broker who would help you do that as well. So what you do then, you use that 100,000 as a collateral or as a security on your property to buy another property without putting any of your own money down. Okay, very, very important, and they will lend you all the money as well. So the second option you have basically is to look at your investment property. If you have an investment property that you've bought that have so much equity in it and you've never pulled the equity out, you could do exactly the same thing. You could approach a mortgage broker, tell them what you intend to do. They would help you use that property as a collateral to buy another property, i.e. the current investment property would become a security to the new investment property. So again, that's another way you could buy property using another property that you already have. Or if you have lots of investment properties, it could be a couple of them, it could be 3 or 4 or 5, however many properties you have, you could use the equities in those properties, put them together to be able to buy another investment property. So it is very, very efficient way to invest in properties without putting any of your money down. And again, this is an example to tell you if you've got a couple of properties or 3 properties, you could easily double or triple them in a very, very short period of time, especially if you're not been taking equity out. So very important if you're struggling to actually raise funds to buy properties. Look at your home if you've got one, right, to see if there's any equity in it. And if you've got one or a couple of buy-to-let, again, look at those properties and see if there's any equity that you could use to actually buy. Even if you don't have the whole amount, suppose you're buying £100,000 property and your equities in your investment property or your home is only about maybe £75,000, you could use that 75,000 as a collateral and you put down the 25% deposit. Again, that helps you buy property in a reasonable way. Okay, and again, if you like this video or any of these videos, hit the like button below, subscribe to my YouTube channel for more of these amazing tutorials. I look forward to sharing the next videos. Thank you so much for listening.